Hello friends, welcome to E-Class. Myself Smitha teacher. Students, open your maths textbook page number 31. New point we are going to learn. Multiplying a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number. We will solve some examples. See here. Example number 1. 709 multiplied by 76. We here 1, 2, 3-digit number multiplying a 3-digit number. This is 3-digit number by 2-digit number. This is our heading. So we have to write first expanded form. What is expanded form of this number? Here 7. After 7 how many digits? 1, 2. 1, 2. Plus this 0 plus this 9. After 9 no digits, so don't write 0. Now 76. See here. Till now we have learned only one digit multiplied by a 1-digit number, but now 2 digits we have, so we have to write here expanded form. What is the expanded form of 76? 70 plus 6, right? Now make boxes. How to make? See here. Here multiplication sign. First number is 709. Instead of this number we are going to write its expanded form. 709. Okay. Close the box. Second number is 76. 76 we have to write here. Instead of 76 we are going to write 70 plus 6. We are using its expanded form. Okay. Now 70 plus 6. I wanted to find the answers of these boxes. Okay, so first this goes straight. 7 multiplied by 7. 7 sevens are 49. See here. Observe carefully how I am solving the examples. 7 multiplied by 7. 7 sevens are 49. How many zeros are there in both boxes? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now this box. I wanted to find the answer of this box. Go straight. 70 multiplied by 0. 0 multiplied by any number, answer is 0. Now this answer I want. 7 multiplied by 9. 7 multiplied by 9. 9 sevens are 63. 9 sevens are 63. And how many zeros are there in both boxes? Only 1 0. So write down here. Did you understand this? Now we will solve down. This answer I want, so go straight. 7 6 are 42, and in both boxes how many zeros? 1 2. 1 2. 6 0 0. 6 9s are 54. 6 9s are 54. No zeros here, so don't write here 0. We have to add the boxes 1 2 3 4 5 6. See here. By addition we will get the answer. 49,000. 1, 2, 3. Now bigger number is this. You write down that. It is easy to do addition. 630. 54. 0, 0. Okay. Now do addition of these numbers and find its answer. 0, 0, 0, 4, 0, 0. 4. 5 plus 3. 8. 5 plus 3, 8. 6 plus 2, 8. 9 plus 4, 13. 1 will be carrying over. 4 plus 1, 5. Then what is your answer? Therefore answer I am writing here because of no place. 709 multiplied by 76 is equal to 53,884. This is your answer. What is 53,884? So students, we will solve the exercise from textbook page number 31. Question number 1, multiply. From this exercise, I am going to solve one example. Last one. 6th example I am going to solve here on the blackboard. See here, 781 multiplied by 90. First write down expanded form of 781. 7 write down first. On 7 how many digits are there? 2 digits, so 2 zeros. Then 8. On 8 only one digit, so 1 0. 1. After 1 no digit, so don't write here 0. See 90. 90 what is first write down? 9. After 9 one digit is there, therefore 0. Then this 0. After this 0 no zeros, so don't write here zeros. Okay, now make boxes. Multiplication sign. First number is 781. Write down its expanded form. 781. Okay, close the box. 90 we have to write in this way. 90 plus 0. 90 and here 0. Now find the answers of these boxes. Okay, this answer I want go straight. 9 7s are 63. 9 7s are 63. How many zeros are there in both boxes? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now this answer I want go straight. 9 8s are 72. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros. Okay. 1, 2 zeros. Now this answer I want go straight. 9 1s are 9 and in both boxes only 1 0 is there, therefore write down here. 90 1s are 90. Now this answer I want go straight. 0 multiplied by any number answer is 0. This answer I want. 0 multiplied by any number answer is 0. This answer. 0 multiplied by 1 answer is 0. Now add 1 2 3 4 5 6 boxes. 63 1 2 3 zeros, that means 63,000. Then 7,200 plus 90 plus 0 0 0. Addition of this 0, addition of all 0 is 0. 0 plus 9 9. 0 plus 2 2. 3 plus 7 10. 1 will be carrying over. 3 plus 7 10. 1 will be carrying over. 6 plus 1 7. Therefore 781 multiplied by 90 is equal to 70,290. Okay. So students, you have to complete question number 1 in your notebook. See here, question number 2 from same exercise. The concessional rate of one English dictionary is rupees 175. Concessional rate means there is some concession on that dictionary. Cost is rupees 175. If 31 students in a class give their teacher that amount for the dictionary, how much money has the teacher collected? See, for one dictionary 175 rupees. Now 31 students have given the rupees to teacher. So how much money has the teacher collected? What to do? Here we have to do multiplication. 175 multiplied by 31. 175 multiplied by 31. It is our second example. Same way we have to solve, just it is in word problem. Just a word problem it is. So first write down its expanded form. 100 plus 70 plus 5. 31. What is 30 plus 1? Make columns. Here multiplication sign. Instead of this number, write down its expanded form. 100 plus 70 plus 5. Close the box. Here 30 and here 1. Now find the answers of the boxes. Here we have to find the answers. This answer I want go straight. 3 ones are 3. How many zeros in both boxes? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now this answer I want go straight. 3 sevens are 21. 3 sevens are 21 in both boxes. How many zeros are there? 1, 2. 1, 2. This answer I want go straight. 3 fives are 15. 3 fives are 15. How many zeros in both boxes? Only 1. So give 1 0. go straight. 1 ones are 1, and in both the boxes 2 zeros are there. 7 ones are 7, and here 1 0, therefore 1 0. 5 ones are 5, write down 5. Add 1 2 3 4 5 6 boxes. 3000 plus 2100 plus 150. See the places and write down number. 100 plus 70 plus 5. Do addition. You can give one symbol or two symbol, no problem. 0 plus 5, 5. 5 plus, it is 5. 5 plus 7, 12. Give 1, carrying over. 5 plus 7, 12. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 4. 3 plus 2, 5. So how much money teacher has collected? Yes, teacher has collected 5,425 rupees. Therefore, teacher has collected rupees 5,425. We will see third example. Example number 3 from same page, number 31. A van carries 205 crates of mangoes. Crates means the container which farmers are using to put potatoes, tomatoes or mangoes. If each crate contains 48 mangoes, how many mangoes are there in a van? In a van, total number of crates are 205. And in one crate there are 48 mangoes. So by multiplication we can find the total number of mangoes in the van. Question number 3, 205 multiplied by 48. Find the expanded form of 205. 200 plus 0 plus 5. And 48. 40 plus 8. Okay, now multiplication sign. Here write down 205, its expanded form. It is the expanded form of 205. And here write down expanded form of 48. In this way I have written. Now find the answers of these boxes. This answer I want go straight. 4 to the 8. 4 to the 8. How many zeros in both boxes? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, got? This answer I want go straight. 0 multiplied by any number, answer is 0. 4 5 are 20. And in both boxes, how many zeros are there? Only 1. This answer I want go straight. 8 2 are 16. And in both boxes, 2 zeros are there. So I have written 2 zeros here. 0 multiplied by any number, answer is 0. 5 8s are 40. There is no 0 in both boxes, so don't write 0 on 40. Now add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes. 8,000 plus 1,600 plus 200 plus 40 plus 0 plus 0. Do addition. 0. 0 plus 0 plus 4, 4. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So how many mangoes are there in the van? There are 9,840 mangoes in the van. Therefore, in the van, comma, there are 9,840 mangoes. In this way, students, you have to complete this exercise in your notebook. So students, today's homework is solve exercise from textbook page number 31 in your notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day. Eat healthy, stay home, stay safe and study well.